Do you think Korean is difficult? Korean is the easiest language to learn in the world. It's called language. Let's learn Korean together. Korean Click will help you.
Korean click 반짝반짝빛나 우리랑 함께
안녕하세요, 코리아 클릭 여러분. 다시 한번 만나서 반갑습니다. 잘 지냈어요? Hello, Korean click people. It's nice to meet you again. Have you been well? 설리 선생님이에요. It's teacher Solly again, and we are here again to learn about Korean. But today, 오늘은 숫자를 배울 거예요. 숫자를 대해서 배울 거예요. We're going to learn about the numbers today, how to count in Korean numbers, how to pronounce Korean numbers, and how to count if you want to say maybe in tens, in thousands, and stuff like that, tens of thousands. So that is what we are going to be learning today. So are you ready to learn with me? Nah, I know you're always ready to learn. Thank you for always joining me.
You must memorize this in order to easily remember Korean numbers. Please never forget this and make sure to memorize it. I hope you will definitely memorize this.
일십백 천만 십만 일십백 천만 십만 일십백 천만 십만 일십백 천만 십만.
I hope you will definitely memorize this.
Okay, now today we have these numbers. So from the first one here, these are the single numbers. It is il. It is pronounced il. So this is the number 3, which is sam in Korean. This is sam. This is e, which is number 2. This is chil. We are using the Sino-Korean numbers for this. We have two different types of numbers in Korea. We have the Sino-Korean and we have the native Korean. But this time around, we are using the Sino-Korean numbers. So this is sam, this is e, this is chil, this is gong, this is yuk, and this is o. So if you want to read, we are reading through like this, just like in English numbers. So this is number 6, which is you. And you can see back here. Back means 100. This sheep means 10. So if you're counting in tens, you're using sheep. If you're counting in hundreds, you're using back. If you're counting in thousands, you're using chon. Chon is 1,000. Man is 10,000. And sheep man is 100 of thousands. So if you want to pronounce this number here, this 673, you're going to say yuk. You remember yuk is 6, right? So you're going to say yuk백 673. Again, 673. That is 673. 673. Can you try again? 673. 673. 네, 잘했어요. So, if you want to say the second one, let's do the tens. Let's just use just this 7 and 3 for example of the tens. So, if you want to say 73, you say 73. 73, that means 73. But 673 is 673. 까먹지 마세요. So now we are moving to the thousands. If you want to read in thousands, this is chon, right? I said 1,000 is chon. And we have o, 5 is o in Sino-Korean, 9 is gu, sam, and e. So you say 5,932. 5,932. 5,932. So let's read it again. 5,932. 잘했어요. 5,932, 673. So 계속 연습하면 잘 할 수 있어요. If you keep practicing the numbers, you're gonna get better. Trust me. So now we're moving to these tens of thousands. We have 3 here, which is sam. We have 4, which is sa, sam, sa, o, e, chil. That is what is following each other. We have 3, which is sam, right? We have 4, which is sa. We have 5, which is o, 2, e, and 7, chil. So if you want to read these, you say samman. You say samman 사천 잘 들으세요. 34,527. 34,527. 34,527. 천천히. 34,527. Can you do that again? 34,527. 오, 잘했어요. 정말 잘했어요. Okay, now for this one, for the hundreds of thousands, we're doing sa, which is 1, 4, sa, which means 4. The next one, il, which is 1, o, which is 5, pal, which is 8, ku, which is 9, and just kong, but we are not going to be pronouncing kong, it's just the number 90, right? So when we want to count in English, we just say 90. So we're just going to say 90. Let's start from 90. You go 90, 90, 90, 90. And from here we say 890. That is 890. 890. 890. And if you want to say 5,890, you say 5,890. 5,890. 잘 들어요? 5,890. So from that, if you want to say 15,890, 15,890, 잠시만요. 15,890, you say 10, 잠시만요. 15,890, that will be 10만, 10만, 10만. 잠시만요. Sorry, there was a glitch earlier. So if you want to say 15,890, you say 1만 5천, 1만 5,890. 1만 5,890. And if you want to say 415,890, that is a long number, right? Yes, I know. 415,890, that will be, 잠시만요. 415,890, that will be 41만 5,890. 다시 41만 5,890. 41만 5,890. So if you want to, let's go to the second one. We start from here. 6. 6. 56. 56. 56. 356. 356. 356. 6,356. 6,356. 6,356. So 96,356 will be 96,356. 96,356. 96,356. And we have the 896,356, right? So you say 89만 6,356. 89만 6,356. 네. And for the last one, we have 5 here, which is O. It's still 505 is still O. So you won't say 505. You say 500. 500. 505. 500. So 7,505 will be 7,505. 7,505. So 67,505 will be 67,505. 67,505. I know it might be a little difficult for now, but with time, you're going to get used to it. With a lot of practice, you're going to get used to the Korean numbers. It's not hard, but 어렵지 않나요? 너무 쉬워요. Okay, let's do some reading of numbers here. 1000. Man. And we have 십. What's 10? Thousands. Single number. So we'll move to the next one. Read together, right? If you have a question, just ask me.
만,
1000.
10만,
10만. 백. 일. We put what we did. 마세요. And you pick the right answer. And ship. Tens of thousand. 그쵸? So we're gonna move man right here.
1,
And 그 다음에
1,
일 is a single number. 일 is right here. And we have 천. 천 is thousand, right? 천 여기에요. And we have hundreds of thousand, which is 십만. 십만
만.
여기. And we have
만,
만, which is tens of thousand. 그 다음에 we have 일 is going right here. And we have tens of thousands. 만. We have 일. And we have thousand. You know, that is thousand. We have 4 numbers, that is thousand. And we have 3 numbers here, which means 백, 100. And we have sheep. Sheep is what? Tens. And we have 백 written in Korean, which says 100. Now let's listen.
10,
Sheep, which
sheep.
is what? 10. And we
백.
have 백, which is 100, right? And we have
천,
천, which is thousands.
십만.
And 마지막 십만, hundreds of thousands, 십만, written in Korean. So let's try it again.
1,
일 is single number.
10,
Sheep is tens.
100,
백 is hundreds.
천,
천 is thousands.
만,
만 is tens of thousands.
10만,
십만 is hundreds of thousands. Yes, well done. Thank you very much. So now let's try and match these. We're going to match them according to what we heard
백.
and what we're seeing. So you move it
백.
right here. 백. Next one.
10만,
십만. 십만
10만,
is right here. And we have
만,
만, which is tens
만.
of thousands. 그쵸? 그 다음에
10,
십.
10,
십, which is tens.
천,
천, which is
천.
thousands, right? And we have
1,
일, which is just a single number. Whoa, 잘했어요. Now let's go to the last lesson for today, which is going to be us numbers, like trying to match the numbers according to what is there and what we heard.
394,
394.
394,
394 어디예요? That is
394.
394. Remember? 394. And we have
21,
21.
21,
21 is 21 and it's right here. And then
48,
48, 48, 48, and we have
3826,
3826.
3826,
3826 is right here. And we have
28,374,
28,374.
28,374,
28,374 여기에요.
28,374,
And we have
968,
968.
968,
968 is right here.
968,
968.
273,
273. 273.
273,
So this is the right answer. And we have
294,
294. And we have
38,456,
38,456. 38,456.
38,456,
맞아요.
3,845,
3,845.
3,845,
3,845 어디예요? 여기 맞죠? 그 다음에
9,864,
9,864.
9,864,
9,864 여기 맞죠?
84,
84. 84
84.
어디예요? 여기.
37,
37 is 37. 30 and 2.
25,
25. 25. 25.
85만 7,384,
85만 7,384.
85만
85만
7,384,
7,384. And we have
48만 3,272,
48만 3,272.
48만
48만
3,272,
3,272.
483,
483.
483,
And we have
96만 8,574,
96만 8,574.
96만
여기에요.
8,574,
그 다음에
28만 3,742,
28만 3,742.
28만 3,742,
28만 3,742.
87,
87. And we have for the last one.
38,294.
38,294.
38,294.
오, 잘했어요, 여러분. You did a very great job. So how was today's class? Hope you all enjoy it. I know the numbers may be difficult at first because maybe you're not used to big numbers, but I'm sure with a lot of practice, you're gonna get better. 지금 어렵지만 연습 많이 하면 잘 읽을 수 있어요. 잘할 수 있어요. 알겠습니다, 여러분. 오늘 여기까지예요. 다음에 또 봐요. 안녕.
코리안 quick 반짝반짝